WestJet flight and give you a good look at the colors of that 737. The original 737s did not have those winglets. In fact, winglets themselves have gone through a bit of a development. You can see they've got the upright winglets, and now they've got also the lower winglets on the wing tips there, and all to help efficiency of the airflow on the wings.
You know, Ken, in a previous life, I guess you could say, I was an aircraft painter right here in Hangar 3 at Con Air, and I'm looking at that airplane in front of us right now, and can't imagine how the heck they painted all that on there so nicely, so smoothly. Hats off to the painters who did the job on that WestJet 737. That looks really cool.
We don't think about this, but paint jobs like this actually add several hundred pounds of weight to the airplane. And it's all about weight and efficiency now. I was told by someone that in order to help efficiencies in the airlines, they've looked for really unique ways of doing it. One method was they actually cut their in-flight magazine in half so that there was less paper. Now you might think, wow, that's not a big deal. A magazine doesn't weigh much. But if you have any magazine collectors out there and you get stacks and stacks of magazines, just feel how heavy that is. Yep. That's all weight that the airplane is taking on as it flies across the country. So just by cutting it in half, they save at least $1 million in fuel every year.
It's crazy.
You know, Roy, I was talking about that Cyclone. I just have to say that Cyclone has day and night capability. It's got lightning strike and high intensity radio frequency pulse protection. Also incorporates a flaw tolerance and engine burst containment. So I want you to take some time today, either during or after the air show this afternoon, to stop by that brand new CH-148 Cyclone. I'm sure it's still got that new airplane smell.
I'm sure. Airbus is proud to sponsor and support the Abbotsford International Air Show. Airbus is pleased to welcome local and international operators showcasing Airbus products here on display. Shell Aviation is proud to be the official fuel sponsor of the Abbotsford Air Show since 1970. Fly above the rest with Airshow's best-selling piston engine oil.
All right, coming up next on our air show program, you can see a little gold and black biplane just taxiing out off to our right. At the stick of this airplane is Buck Roadman of Wild Horse Aviation. Buck Roadman has been flying for over 42 years. He's flown more than 155, count them, different types of airplanes from Cubs to corporate jets, resulting in more than 18,000 hours of flight time. And he is flying a highly modified Pitts S2S. And I'll tell you a little bit more about the history of that aircraft once he gets airborne. Back on the stick, you'll go through about 5/8 of a loop. You'll choose that 45-degree down line, pick up some airspeed, roll the